Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open the Chromecast with Google TV Box and remove the device and accessories carefully. Plug the HDMI plug into an available HDMI port on your television firmly. Connect the USB-C power cable to the Chromecast and the 5V1A adapter, then plug in. Keep the included batteries in the remote and press any button to wake the Chromecast. Turn on the television and choose the HDMI input U connected to the Chromecast. Watch for the white status LED on the Chromecast to confirm it is powered and booting. When the Chromecast finishes booting, the on-screen setup wizard will appear automatically. Select your preferred language using the remote directional pad and press the center button. Press and hold the remote's Google Assistant and Home buttons to start pairing mode. Follow the on-screen pairing confirmation and then choose your Wi-Fi network name from the list. If you have a Chromecast 4K, the setup supports HDR and 4K resolution options during configuration. Install updates when prompted. The device may restart and then return to the setup flow. Open the Google Home app on your phone to complete network and account linking. Sign into the same Google account you use for YouTube and Play Store purchases. Grant location and local network permissions when the app requests them for casting functionality. To cast, open a compatible app, tap the cast icon, and select your Chromecast device. Enable guest mode to allow visitors to cast without joining your Wi-Fi network if needed. For troubleshooting, reboot the Chromecast, confirm Wi-Fi password, or perform a factory reset via settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.